Alright, we got the new DTM3 Yokomo. This is Max Flurer's Yokomo. Just got the kit in today. Just started. So here we go with the build. Okay, on the front here of the DTM3, we got a new wing mount. And then going to the back of the car, we got new C and D block, new arms. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Keep building. Alright. Here's Max Flurer's DTM3. Coming along nicely. He's already got titanium screws, shined up and everything. I like that Yokomo front wing mount that they put. Beefier and lighter. Yeah. Okay, on the transmission, it came with both transmissions, lay down and carpet transmission in this kit here, which I think is really cool. It's really cool. All right, here's the DTM3 transmission. Same transmission out of the truck here. Coming along nicely with the build here. So he's already got the diff done. So here we go. Okay, here with Max Flurer's DTM. The caster blocks are different, spindles are different, but also the hinge pins inside and out are thicker or bigger diameter hinge pins on the new kit, with the friction and stuff like that, less friction and whatnot. But yeah, got the new battery straps, new front arms. So yeah, he already put titanium on his kit from the get-go. But yeah. Alright, we're taking a look inside Max Flurer DTM3, Yokomo YZ2 DTM3. He just got this kit built. Starting out, this kit comes with new front and rear arms, a new steering geometry up front here, and he's already put titanium all over the car as he was building. BK Servo, that's one of Max Flurer's sponsors. Hobbywing ESC and Hobbywing motor. Like I said, it's one of Max's sponsors here. Comes with the battery strap like the truck. Transmission, it comes with two different transmissions. You get a carpet transmission and a dirt transmission. Max started off with the carpet transmission. He built this kit to stock, just the way the instruction booklet says. Yeah, he's got a wiper weight up under. See where his pills are. Yep. Like I said, he built it to stock. Titanium all over. He said the reason he built this car to instruction book specs or kit specs is he wants to get to the track and have a good base to start from. Another thing that's cool with this kit, they got a front wing spacer here I thought was real cool. Your bulkheads, if you're a Yokomo guy or Yokomo gal, your aluminum bulkheads will fit up front here. Yeah, your aluminum ball stud mounts, they will fit from the old kit to this one. But yeah. most all the top guys run 7.5 motor. He's running a 23 tooth pin. But yeah, new front rear arms. The hubs here, new rear hubs. But also, like I said, thicker hinge pins, inner and outer. So I thought that was cool, thicker hinge pins. I mean, you have to have a hard, crazy hit to bend or break the hinge pins on this kit here. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning into this build here. He's very fast when he builds, so I was trying to get some footage, but I only got snippets here and there. But anyway, guys, this is inside his YZ2 DTM3. Thank y'all guys for tuning in.